Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Brew. It's Smash time! This time Pilsner and Citra. I've never used Pilsner in a Smash before. And oh yeah, today I'm taking care of these two little terriers all by myself. So they're nice and safe in their car seats there. And well, smart me from the day before thought ahead and decided to fill up the water in the middle of the night. So that makes things just a little bit easier in the morning. All I have to do is turn that dial. I'll put my remote thermometer in and wait for it to come up to temperature. So mash time is hopefully around this little guy's bedtime, so we're going to give him his milk there and take him out of his safety device. Watch out. Oh, it's safe back in bed now, and hopefully he goes to bed nicely and I can do all the complicated stuff while he's doing that. So here we go. Now if you don't know, Smash stands for single malt and single hop, so this is all Pilsner malt. And I deleted the recipe for this one, so I have no idea how much. I reckon I was aiming for a fairly light OG of around 1.04, something like that. So, 100% Pilsner malt and a lightish one this time. So, that is 1 hour of mashing at whatever temperature it was. And now it's time to lift the bag out. Out she comes. Yep, very good. And all done. So, bag comes down. Clip goes in, no dropping, no spilling. Temperature goes on to get it up. Oh, looks like the little one's waking up now. And so I've got all three of the kids, if you include Max, back. But that's all, most of the sort of fiddly long bit done. So I'm all good. And there's flies everywhere today for some reason. So I'm just fishing some flies out of the end there. That's why Max is so happy. Alright, peanut butter for everybody, including Max. Let's all have some peanut butter. And while you kids are distracted, I'm going to run out and put in my my bit of... more flies. What's for that? Anyway, 2. That's 4. 4? Wait, is there another one? No. 4 flies in total so far. Alright, and it's boiling, so 1 hour. Everyone's still enjoying their peanut butter. Oh, did you see how I put it in before? Hang on, what's going on here? Thing off and some more Citra. Oh, I'm aiming for about 24 IBUs, I reckon. Again, deleted the recipe, can't remember. Okay, and I was explaining that I put the hops in before it was boiling. That's called first wort hops, and I kind of did that because I could, and nobody was screaming. So, the boil's all done. This is filling up, and everybody's enjoying their bits and pieces. Getting our last bit out now, and that's nice and full, so that is very good. Squeeze a little bit of air out, and we're just about done there. Yeah, are we done? Yay, clap everybody. No claps. Alright, so there we go, 27 litres of Smash. That is an amount, again, that I can't remember. That's going to be dry hop. That's SO4 yeast I'm going to use, and we're all done. Cool. So, everybody was safe. I managed to wrangle 2 kids and a big dog and have a successful brew day, and so got to be happy with that. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.